Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Some people believe that professional workers such as doctors and teachers should be paid more than sports and entertainment personalities. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Salaries are paid as per the designation, skills, and the input at the workplace besides the responsibilities taken. Some occupations get huge salaries, whereas others may be neglected. Sometimes does not matter how much risk they take. This is the reason of less salaries of doctors and teachers, whereas sportsmen and entertainers steal the show and take huge salaries. To start with the need to have more salaries to the doctors and teachers. Doctors and teachers provide essential services that directly impact society's well-being and development. Doctors save lives and improve health, which is fundamental to the functioning of any society. Teachers shape the future by educating children and instilling values, skills, and knowledge. Moreover, these are the occupations which demand regular updates, so both have to study a lot, as getting degrees once does not stop their learning. The advancement in education and medicine requires updates, so these workers need to update the information and have to upgrade themselves as per the requirement. For instance, laser technology demands surgeons to use it for the painless operations of the patients, and same is with the teachers who are expected to use technology because of smart classes. These people cannot stop learning as they are the nation's savers and builders. However, sportsmen and entertainers are in huge demand as they bring laurels for the nation when they break records. The contribution of the players such as Yuvraj Singh cannot be neglected in the history of Indian cricket, so he deserves high salary. In the same way, nowadays, the craze of the live concerts of Diljit Dosanjh is seen everywhere, who entertains the public as he has a huge fan following. Therefore, these people deserve more earnings as they break the previous records. In conclusion, I consider that the salary must be given as per the hard work done in the profession. There is need to justify the inputs of the workers, and the payment given to them can motivate them to work better and give the best to the society. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.